Thutha wa mutangathi wi ngumo muno bururi-ini wa Kenya uria uikaine kurehe gibindi kia ndagitari kuria Inoro TV gukorwo agi-celebrate birthday yake muthenya wa ira, riu ni arikitie kuyumiria kuria ng'enda-ini cia ukinyaniria na kuonania gikeno giake na gutiga arumiriri ake magegete. Itana kumenyithia maingi megie Wambui wa Muturi na ngoria na gitio, utuike wa gusubscribe, like, comment na ndukarigane kuhihinya notification bell ugakoragwo wi wa mbere kwamukira mwogo wa mugikuyu. Thutha wa mutangathi wi ngumo bururi-ini wa Kenya uria uikaine ta Wambui wa Muturi gukorwo agi-celebrate birthday yake, riu ni arikitie kuyumiria kuria ng'enda-ini cia ukinyaniria na kuonania gikeno giake kuri arumiriri ake aria marakorirwo makinyitanira nake igongona-ini riri ria guciarwo gwake. Na Wambui ni ngumuquote uria augite kuria gwa Facebook, na if all the combined wishes today could translate to money, I would have gone to bed a trillionaire. Today the wishes have been so overwhelming, from calls, gifts, text, DM, inboxes on social media and personal phone and email have not gone unnoticed, even the ones who wished me on air once. I'm happy. From my family, colleagues and friends, the girl here now lady wishes you blessings and establishment in your life. It's birthing year, and so as we celebrate the coming one, it's either a ring on my finger or a maternity leave. Najua mnapenda kusikia hiyo part ya mwisho sana. Hahaha, all glory to God. Ucio ni Wambui wa Muturi uria orakorwo agitwira ica ikuhe ni gukorwo akionekana na mbete kiara-ini giake kana marua ma maternity. Tukamuwish maundu mega muturire-ini wake. Ndukarigane guku ni kwa Africa na CN mwogo wa mugikuyu.